Welcome to 2094. This is
Hello.
where we stayed, but we're not here anymore. Come on in to our Donald Duck themed room.
Donald Duck room. Cute.
This detail is my favorite, the pillow.
Okay.
And this yellow long pillow. So cute.
Oh yeah, it's a bow.
So it comes with 2 beds. Good, because Pat snores. And then you got this really old TV though.
Oh really?
Yeah. This TV is old. It's a little bit thick. Thick with a CC. It comes with a couch with the Donald Duck theme continued. And if you notice on these walls, it is Donald Duck themed as well. There are different motifs, illustrations of Donald exploring. Here's she's relaxing, he's searching, he's getting annoyed because it's stuck on his butt. And then we've got the red seats. We actually stayed in a different room, which was just like meh. This one's a little bit cuter. It's the same size. And then it comes with postcards you can take home. These are the postcards it comes with.
Cool.
Yeah, keep these. And then let's go to the bathroom now. Oh, here it comes with complimentary water. This is the fridge. Complimentary. Too big. More Disney motifs with coming through. Got a little coffee spinner thing. I don't drink coffee though. Then this is like a beauty dresser area. We've got our popcorn buckets that we purchased yesterday. This one's Winnie the Pooh. It's like a honey jar. I got them, so when I have guests over, we can have popcorn in here. You can also enjoy popcorn buckets. It smells like curry, because that's what we had yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And then we have a strawberry one. This one is really cute too. It's Monsters Inc. popcorn bucket. And you can open the doors here. There are other things you can do here. So cute. Got hotel slippers and extra pillows and blankets. Then we have the bathroom. Now all bathrooms in Japan are really nice. Like even the ones in Disneyland, they have like sound playing just in case you want to like poo, you know. So, you know, they don't want you to hear it. So it's the sound of water trickling down. And then got continuing the Donald Duck theme. We've got it on the glass door. Toilet in here. And then the washer. Comes with a cute bag. The other one had like a regular ambassador tin. This one has your regular toiletry amenities. And then a cute cup. And toothbrushes. Face and hand soap. Ambassador themed towels. In here is the shower. Shower. The shower is very different here. So this whole part is the shower and the bath, and you're expected to get this part wet. So that's it. This is the bathroom. They have a lot of different themed rooms. There's the Chippendale room, Mickey Mouse, etc. for the Ambassador Hotel. Very cute. The lobby is really nice. Hi everybody. I think our mic is way better because we actually have a mic now. Tap tap. We're going outside of the lobby so you can see what they offer beyond the room. And we are at the Ambassador Hotel in Disneyland, Disney Resorts in Tokyo. And we are currently on the second floor. And I know that there's like a little walkway so you can see the lobby, so we can do that first and then we can have a little look. There was one place that we went to, which was the Sunrise something. It's basically their little convenience store, and we got snacks every night here. Every night as in the last 3 nights. And it was really good. And they have a lot of Disney themed snacks that are available and exclusive to the hotel. Other than that, they have a lot of restaurants that they offer here, but I just wanted to give you a visual of what it looked like and what to expect if you do expect to come here and see the resort for yourself. We're really far at the far end of the resort. The walk to the elevators for our room so far back, but The rooms are all booked here in October. Well, I can understand because it's Halloween season. Well, it's November 2 now. Oh, this is the pool area. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's check out the pool.
Check out the pool. We did get this one. Also, it's so cold.
Too cold.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, little dolphins.
Palm Garden Pool.
It'd be closed.
It's closed.
I think it's because it's still like early.
It looks so nice.
Very Miami vibes. So there are around 4 floors in this hotel of 5. We stayed on the 4th floor on our first 2 weeks, and then we had to move rooms because it's so fully booked. But they make your transition pretty smooth. You just leave your luggage and then they move it for you.
True.
You don't need to do it yourself.
Yeah, it's the lobby.
It's the lobby. Mickey lives in Tokyo, Japan. They don't do that in the other Disney resorts. He does a lot of narration here. Totally works full time.
Thanks, Mickey.
So this is the lobby.
Why are you laughing?
It's currently not the best.
Look, it's Pluto and Mickey.
Yeah, so cute. So you have the front desk where you check in, and a little nice centerpiece to enjoy when you arrive upon the scene. Front desk is where I checked in. It was very easy. You have to pay for everything up front, so when you check out, you just drop off your key and you go. And then over there we have guest services. So in case you have problems with your tickets, you can get it checked there, but mine wasn't as successful as I wanted it to be. But if you are staying at this resort, you are guaranteed a ticket to enter. So you don't need to worry about like booking online, etc. You are guaranteed a ticket if you are staying at the resort.
Okay.
So no booking in advance. So this is Sunset Sunrise. It's like their convenience store, and you can get a lot of snacks in here that are not that overpriced, and it's just like any other of the convenience stores. Very delicious. So many options, and they are also Disney themed. And I'm gonna get a snack because I'm really hungry and we have to get on our taxi soon. Chocolate biscuits and these Disney themed rice crackers. Yum. These are so good. I had these when I was a kid. What I'm really here to get is this. Why is it all empty?
They haven't refilled it yet. Which one did you get?
I got the spicy cod roll and an edamame. They also have salad.
Oh, can you get the peanut butter one? The peanut butter one's good.
Oh yeah, the peanut butter one's good. This is like soft sandwiches, and then they already have filling inside. And the bread here is so good.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Let's pay for it.
That's it?
This is cute.
What is it?
It's a sippy cup.
Cute.
But it's Toy Story themed. Another thing that I think is really cute is the Pocky. They have like specialized treats here, and this is like Disney themed, which is the shape of a Mickey. The stick is the shape of a Mickey.
Cute.
Even this little churro stick snack. The great thing about Japanese stores is that they love their packaging. So when you have these like collectible tins, they come with little snacks and then a really cute tin. And there's so many things that they offer. Look at this nice tin for these wafers. I think this is the most unique aspect of the souvenir store. Like any hotel, they have a souvenir store, but this one is really special. If you're gonna get anything, that would be my recommendation. They even have ambassador themed merch. There's so many things that they offer here. I think that Japan has the best Disney merch, honestly. Because I've never wanted to actually buy anything, but here I've actually purchased a lot to bring home. I didn't buy any of the snacks though, but I bought these snacks. Because I want to buy the other snacks in Japan, so saving that for my luggage. It's a churro, so you push it in, I'm guessing.
Ooh, what does it do?
It's just a keychain.
Oh, cute.
Same with this.
Ooh, the hot dog.
Yeah. Guess what these are?
Mosquito stickers?
Soaps.
Oh.
You
Soap?
yeah, so you place them on your hand and then they lather up and become soap.
That's cool.
So many things. Japan has the best merch store.
It's got some pretty dope stuff. And you got hand sanitizer everywhere. Look at that.
And then we never got to enjoy the restaurant because we wanted to relax and not rush.
Yeah.
But they have a Chef Mickey's there, which is a buffet, and then they also offer like 2 other restaurants here. But we didn't go on in any of them, but we did go to the ones in Disneyland, so we're all good. I'm gonna enjoy my snack. This is pretty much it. I mean, other than that, this is the hotel, the features of the hotel. It's a grand entrance here, down the stairs. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.